In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the metapixel on a Tally so you can track form views and submissions accurately. First, open your browser and go to Tally. Then log in to your account. If you're new, quickly create an account before moving ahead. Make sure you already have your metapixel ID ready because you'll need it during setup. Once logged in, you'll land on the Tally dashboard. From here, open the form where you want to add tracking. With the form open, go to the integrations section. Scroll through the available integrations until you find Facebook Pixel, which is now part of the Meta Platforms tracking system. Click Connect, then paste your metapixel ID into the field provided. Confirm and save the changes. Keep in mind that this integration is available only on the Tally Pro plan, so you'll need to upgrade if you are currently on the free plan. Once saved, your metapixel will start tracking interactions on your Tally form, helping you measure conversions and optimize your ad campaigns more effectively. That's it. You've successfully set up metapixel on a Tally. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.